So here's an update on what I've got going on currently now. So obviously you guys seen the ceiling fan installs in my house video. Well, obviously when you saw that, we only had 5 installs here. But now I added a 6th fan to my install. So now we have install number 6 going on. Obviously, this one here is still the same 52-inch Gulf Coast Dixie Belle as you saw in the last video. So remember the Homestead Universal that you guys saw that was originally in my closet? Well, I decided to move it downstairs instead. It honestly doesn't look too bad here, to be honest with you, and kind of give you a pan around look on both installs now. Yeah, it's 2 different fans currently, but it's just kind of like to see what I like here and what I don't. And honestly, this doesn't look terrible here. I mean, it's definitely a good install. And I can honestly say I can pull off 2 52-inch fans in this living room. And it's just seeing if the 38-inch was big enough and it wouldn't collide with any walls. So it honestly wouldn't. So I can actually pull a dual install here. Maybe in the near future, I can probably do either dual SMCs, dual Charlestons. I mean, there's endless array of options I can actually do here. But honestly, for right now, this was just kind of some, like I said, trial and error. So, and then to be honest, it doesn't look terrible. Like, you know, you got a 4-blade fan and then a 6-blade fan. So, but that's what I got going on so far. And everything else has still remained the same. Still the same fans, but I'll go ahead and show you anyways. Because, like I said, this is a little bit of an update video. So, I may be thinking of another install here, and I don't know yet for sure, but I am able to fit at least a 30-inch fan in this spot, so I may be able to pull off 3 fans in my bedroom instead of 2, which is pretty cool considering on how big my bedroom exactly is. And then here's the baby Northwind running. And I pretty much have every single fan running in this house currently. And then obviously the Alaska American Classic doing its thing, which I still am going to be adding a light kit to that just in due time. And then the Craft Made Deluxe Flush Mount. So that's pretty much all I've got going on currently. And then obviously you got a couple fans here. You've seen this one. This one you've already seen a video of a couple years ago. This is my Homestead Universal. And then this one here is the Homestead Whisper Fan 4. It's gonna need a little work to that switch cap, and it'll all come within due time, but there's the blades for it as well. But that one has definitely got a K55, and it's got the ball socket canopy and such. But yeah, that's pretty much everything I've got going on currently in my new townhouse. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update video with everything going on. This is Ginger Fan Studios here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. Take care.